breastfeeding mom says she is defending her right to nurse her daughter on her own front porch. She says she was told by her landlord neighbors were complaining. Fox 25's Chelsea Washington joins us now to explain. Chelsea.
Hey there, Wendy. We've seen stories about public shaming when it comes to openly breastfeeding in the past, but this local mom says nursing her baby girl without using a cover at her duplex has become a neighborhood debate. Missy Smith says she went to her property manager on Monday after noticing her vegetable garden had been destroyed. But she says her property manager told her that should be the least of her concerns. Smith was told neighbors have been complaining about her breastfeeding on the front porch and that she may have to add looking for a new place to live to her to-do list.
And he said, yeah, if they call the cops, I will have to write up an eviction notice. I said, I know my rights. The laws in Oklahoma protect me. I can breastfeed anywhere I'm allowed to be. I pay rent. I'm allowed to be in my front yard on my front porch. So I'm allowed to nurse there.
Smith also says she isn't required by law to use a cover, and that if neighbors are upset, they might be looking for a problem.
It's not like I'm sitting there lifting my shirt up to say, hey, look. It's my daughter's hungry, or she's nervous, and she wants to eat. If they're saying that they saw a nipple or they saw areola, they're looking too hard.
We looked up the state laws, and it says Oklahoma mothers have the right to breastfeed anywhere they have the right to be.
It's so important that a property manager understand the law before taking action. Knowledge is power.
Attorney Jason Lowe also says the property manager was wrong in trying to say that Smith's actions involved indecent exposure.
In order to, for that to be applicable, there has to be some type of sexual stimulation. And in this situation, obviously, she was just breastfeeding her child.
We reached out to the property manager. He tells me he never used the word eviction and that he simply told Smith he was trying to figure out what to do. He also says after researching the laws, he issued Smith a formal apology, which she accepts. Smith plans on staying at the duplex for right now, but says the entire incident has put a bad taste in her mouth.
I'm just going to continue doing what I do, because it's not about them. If they have a problem seeing me nurse, they can look the other way.
And Smith is planning a nursing at her duplex this weekend, and so far about 15 mothers are planning on attending. Chelsea Washington, Fox 25 News.